So if you're looking at studying in Europe and you're really concerned about high visa refusal rate and also high tuition deposit, then of course this video is for you. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you a step-by-step how to apply for school admissions in Malta using two government-owned universities or government-owned institutions, because these institutions over time have high visa success rates and they also provide relatively cheap tuition. So here's the best part. I'll be sharing with you a specific course in one of those institutions that allows you to pay only 1,000 euro as your tuition deposit. So once you pay this 1,000 euro, you get all the necessary documents that you will be using to apply for your visa. And once your visa is approved, you are allowed to actually spread that payment over time in discussion or negotiations with the school, either before you resume or even after you resume your studies. So if you are really serious about studying in Europe and particularly Malta in the year 2026, watch this video to the end to get those detailed information that you need. So the first institution I'll be talking about is MCAST. MCAST is the Malta College of Arts and Science and Technology. It's a college-like institution, and like I said, it's a government-owned institution. So admission, if you get the process right, admission is not a problem. You get admitted, and also for visa success, it's also high. So looking at it here, so their website, I'm sure you know this website because there are also other dummy websites that if you're not careful, you might fall into the wrong site. So it's mcas.edu.mt as you're seeing on the screen, and you look at the courses. Most time for the process of for the purpose of visa application for particularly for international students, it is full-time courses that is actually required or advised to apply for. So you click on the full-time course. Currently now, admission will be starting in February 2nd. So it's very good that at least you're watching this video now so that you can use it to prepare yourself for the requirement. But looking at once you click on full-time study, you look at all the faculties that relates to you. So the Institute of Business Management have some diploma programs that you can actually study if you look at the list of courses, basis of what is interesting or what you are interested in. Most times, again, advanced diploma is advised, particularly for postgraduate studies. But if you're undergraduate, then of course a diploma, a Bachelor of Arts degree is what you would use there. So looking at where to apply from. So from study, you click on apply online. So like I said, admission is currently not starting. All application is done online. So the process of admission is not currently starting for international students, but you look at it's written, also it's starting on Monday. So you gather your documents, ensure that your documents are well arranged and they meet the requirement. Ensure that you meet the requirements even before applying. So once you meet the requirements, you go here, you apply. Application is seamless. It's very easy. We've actually done this before, so it's very easy to actually pull through this. But again, so these are the basic requirements that you need to note, before applying. So gather your documents. If you have queries, ensure you send it to the email. They are very open to responding to questions. So application for persons not residing in Malta, so which are like international students. So this is where you begin your application form. Then, like I said, just follow through the process and ensure that you meet up what is required of you. So we'll go to the next school. So this next school is the University of Malta. So University of Malta is what you're seeing on your screen. The website is um.edu.mt. Same process. If you want to apply for admission, you go basically to study. You look at the again postgraduate or undergraduate that matters to you, but for this purpose of this video we're using the postgraduate studies. You click on that particular session. If you are applying from overseas, of course you indicate so that the system will give you appropriate information. Then for the list of programs that you want, you can select, like I said, like I mentioned, full-time program is mostly recommended for applicants. So once you select full-time, you select the postgraduate. If you click on this tab, automatically you see the drop down of available courses that you could actually register for rather. Most of those courses are commencing in 2026 October. So once you make the necessary selection and you click on this page, you have a drop down of all the available courses that you can apply for. You can also make a search using search items to apply, for the keywords, or to use search items to search for the school. But the particular course I'm talking about, remember the juicy part I mentioned here, is the Masters of Arts in digital marketing communications. And here we go on how to, so you can search for this particular course on that search item, search column I mentioned the last time, and you can get it up to your screen like this. Then you click on, of course, review the eligibility requirements. So one thing I want to mention about this school is that there are language requirements. Your English must be very high score. So I'll show you what they want for your English test. We are exempted from English test, right? But then we need to meet a particular level or criteria to be able to pass that exemption. So what they are asking for is at least a C5 or better pass in your WAEC or NECO. So you need to meet this. If you don't meet this, then this is a general requirement for all the programs. So ensure that your language test, your English meets C5 or above. If not, you have to submit a language test. So let's go back to the course itself. So this is the juicy part I mentioned. So you look at the fee, you see that it is tuition deposit of €1,000. €1,000. It's very, very cheap. You would see, so let's take a look at other master's program and you see how their tuition deposit. So let's say, for instance, contemporary diplomacy. You click on that, you see let's see the fees. So this is to fees are established. Okay, so this is not. Let's look at another program. So I'm just trying to compare the tuition. So you see that actually that tuition is, so you can see this none is mentioned about tuition deposit. And if you check most of the courses, they don't have tuition deposit. It's just this particular course, that has a tuition deposit. So once you pay this 1,000, you get your visa letter and everything you need to, make your application. Application is already currently ongoing right now. So if you click on apply, you just register, upload the necessary documents, and you submit, and that's it. Also that you are required to actually attend an interview, an admission screening interview, but it's not difficult. I have videos. I've given very good insight into how you can answer these questions, and the videos have massive comments of people like commenting and say it really worked for them. So I'll drop the link of that video. You can also use it to practice and also prepare for your admission. Trust me, interviews are no issues if you know what to say and how to say it, which that video that I'll be dropping the link will help you to. So if you know all these things, you are good to go to applying to these two schools. I even recommend these two schools because I've worked with them. I'm not an agent, right? But then I've worked with people that have applied and they are currently in Malta. So there are no issues in terms of their credibility and what have you compared to others. So thank you very much for watching the video to this time. If you find the video very useful, please share, please comment, please like, please subscribe to our channel. And hopefully with your comments in the comment section, we can look out for people that need help and would also guide you through that process. We've had experience processing visas for Malta. So if you want the premium service, you can also subscribe to that and would help you ensure that you meet your 2026 goal to study in Europe. Thank you and stay blessed. All the best. Bye bye.